Welcome to the channel. We got a special NFT project to talk about today, and it is called Fanz. This is a voice of football. 50 years of commentary. These are his 50 greatest games available to you in the forms of 10,000 unique tokens. But before I start, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence, guys, and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the videos. The website is called fanz.com, and this is a very unique NFT that we're doing a review of today. In 4 days, 4 hours, this is gonna be coming, so mark that date down because this is gonna be huge. The 22nd of March is the date that this is gonna come out, and you gotta be the first people that are gonna get it. I'm gonna show you what this particular NFT is about. The voice of football, 50 years of commentary. These are his 50 greatest games available to you in the forms of 10,000 unique tokens, and this is your chance to own a football moment in time, available to real fans only. Now, what is this? The Fanz is a digital nation for the world game. Football in Web 3.0, designed by the fans for the fans from their 20,000 square foot studio in Manchester, built around an initial drop of 10,000 unique NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain. They combine legends and artists and community. Fans will continue to drop, as well as add gaming and live video commerce, and keep watching. The next generation of football fans will not be customers, they will be owners, and that is the vision of Fanz. And I absolutely love Sam Johns, who's the founder of Fanz. His vision is absolutely brilliant. The way he's bringing this is absolutely brilliant and is going to be something massive. This will change the face of football. This will change the voice of football. This is going to take it to the next level. Anyone that is interested in football will be watching this video of Fanz, and they'll be wanting to get this particular NFT because they will not be only investing in an NFT, they'll be investing in history. This roadmap outlines their goals of how the voice of football drop will lay the foundations of a fresh new community dedicated for football fans. And we have football greatest legends who are lined up to be immortalized on the blockchain, with the first phase where the community is coming on board, with the community which is now open for the football fans all around the world. They will connect and grow with us, and they will become the largest supporting online fan community in the metaverse. And only real fans will be whitelisted and prove your passion with their unique verification methods. And the first drop will become available for the public for the purchase on March 1st. And the fans community grows will be introduced with more drops, including more supporting legends. Holders of any fans token will have a unique opportunity for dedicated members to join. And obviously you can go through their full Fanz white paper, which is available on the website. The website fanz.com is in the description below of this video on the educational network on YouTube. You can go check it out there, or you can go on Facebook and check it out. This is a unique opportunity for every single individuals that love the sport to get on board, because this is gonna be huge. They have 3 ways for verification that you are a passionate football fan, and you can join their community on Discord to connect with the crowd. Guys, I always say in every single video that I make that if you want reliable information about any NFT, any play to earn game, you gotta join 2 of these platforms. The first one is Discord, and the second one is Twitter. These 2 platforms provide you reliable information about the NFT. Any other platform will not give you direct information about it. So the first methodology of verification is the proof of football subscription. You provide us with a receipt of your football broadcast subscription. Sky Sports, BT Sport, ESPN, they're all eligible as proof. The football season tickets, only die-hard fan purchase a club season tickets. And if you fit this criteria, be sure to send us a photo or scan your seasonal ticket to verify access and photo memories. Not many sports fans have been lucky enough to capture the moment with their favorite legends. But if you're one of those lucky few who did, you can fit the criteria for the whitelist access. So send them a picture of yourself with a fan, and you can get on their whitelist and obviously become a valued member within the fans community trade and collect rewards, participate in giveaways and community events, and so much more. And that is the reason why they're bringing something very unique in the metaverse together. So on the 1st of March with the Voice of Football, then obviously as they move forward, more launches are going to come in, more information is going to come in, more NFTs are going to come in, and as more NFTs come in, and obviously that is going to change the face of football and how it is viewed and how it's played on the metaverse. As the community grows, more will be revealed about the Voice of Football drop. So you got to join their Discord, like I said, to get that information. Now, the big questions which a lot of people get is, what is the gas fee? Gas is the fee paid to the miners for processing your transaction. So obviously this is one of the costs of making your transactions. They're protected and secured. And obviously the gas prices would increase over time, but this is something that will be given as time comes back. And what gives an NFT value is something that makes it so much important, like the physical appearance, the provenance, utility, and the drivers that value the NFT. And Fanz tokens have been built in a way that they will have all three of this. So this is an NFT that will grow over time. And as it grows, it will become something very, very huge. Now, I want to show you guys their Twitter. Their Twitter is absolutely amazing. Their Twitter has a lot of valuable information that you got to follow. Now, they have 78,000 followers on the Fanz and Fanz in the Web 3.0. So obviously this is going to be something that is going to be huge. And if you want to understand if a particular NFT is going to be successful, you got to see how much engagement they tend to have with their followers, with the individuals that are dedicated with them, who are thinking about investing with them. And if you have a look at how amazing this NFT is and how amazing this particular profile is and how amazing they have actually put together a strategy, you can clearly see that the level of engagement they tend to have is massive. And obviously with that engagement, with that level of input, they are able to create something very unique. Guys, the main idea when you're thinking of investing in an NFT is actually looking at the potential that NFT tends to have to grow. And any NFT that has a strategy in place that understands the dynamics, the niche they're looking for, and developing that niche in a particular manner, they can actually develop a system by which they're going to go to the next level. Now we can understand how important football is and the impact football tends to have and the impact sports tend to have on individuals. And obviously any fan that is thinking about investing, they will invest something that they're passionate about, that they feel that it has a future. And this particular NFT, Fanz has brought that to you guys. They have brought us the football in the Web 3.0. It gives us an opportunity to become part of history in itself. This is history in making, and bringing the NFT in such a manner to the Fanz is going to take it to the next level. So Fanz football is something that will change everything that we know about football. So mark this date down, March 22nd. This is going to blow up. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. I make a ton of reviews and overviews of NFTs and play to earn games. You can go over to my channel, The Educational Network, on Facebook and on YouTube, and check it out. If you got any questions, you can always drop me a WhatsApp message. My WhatsApp number available on my about section of my channel, and you can comment in the section below and I'll tend to reply back to you. Until my next video, guys, take care. Allah Hafiz.